Harry, this is my bike check. I'm sorry. I gotta start up the top here. Got the Bloody Oath bars, nice and sick because they're black, because of black power. Got a Tech Pro brake, good. Odyssey brake cable, felt grips, felt bar ends, piece of shit, don't need them. Front tyre, felt slip knot, pretty good. Alex rims on the front, felt hub, felt forks. Come down the side here. I got the felt fuse 2011 frame. Felt headset, impact headset bearings. Odyssey pedal, it's good, it's white, because black and white matches. Felt crank, 32 piece sprocket, nice and good. KMC chain, not very wobbly, that's how we like them. Alex rim on the front, a little bit dirty, I'm not going to lick it. Felt slip knot tyre. Colony seat, it's pretty good, I love Colony. This is my kink seat post, don't know if you can see it, but it's a kink. Fucking pretty good. My name's Harry, that was my bike check. See ya.